In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can turn off your iPhone location. Turning off your iPhone's location services can help protect your privacy by preventing apps from tracking your whereabouts without your consent. It also conserves battery life by reducing the usage of GPS. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. On the settings page, navigate onto the option of Privacy and Security. On this page, select Location Services. You will then have to first turn off this option of location services. When disabled, all apps and other services that have access to your location will be disabled. On this other option of Share My Location, make sure to also turn it off. No one will be able to see your location even if you enabled them to see access your location in the Find My app. This prevents unauthorized access to your location data, enhancing your overall digital security. That's how easy it is to hide your device location. If you have any questions regarding to this tutorial, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.